Okay, a sonometer wire of length 50 centimeter is stretched by keeping weights equivalent of 3.5 kg. Here the length of the stretched string is 50 centimeter, or the string or the wire, that is 50 centimeter. We convert it into meter. So 50 into 10 raised to minus 2 is stretched by keeping weights equivalent of 3.5 kg. The tension is 3.5 kg. That is the weights of 3.5 kg is kept. So if I want to convert it into Newton, I will multiply it with 9.8. So 3.5 into 9.8 gives me 34.3. Here I have done the multiplication. The fundamental frequency of vibration is 125 Hz. N is 125 Hz. Determine the linear density of the wire, means M is asked. Now here we'll take the fundamental frequency of the vibrations produced in stretched string, because on the sonometer wire is also a stretched string. So we'll go for the fundamental frequency of vibration produced in stretched string, which is 1 upon 2L under root T upon M. So we'll take this 2L on left hand side, that becomes N into 2L, and equal to what remains on right hand side, square root of T upon M. I'll take the square root on left hand side, that becomes square. Then we are asked to find M, so I'll take this M on left hand side numerator, and this term comes in the denominator. After that I'll just do the substitution, and the substitution is tension is 34.3, N is 125, 2 is as it is 2 into 5, that is 50 into 10 raised to minus 2, that is length 50 into 10 raised to minus 2 and whole square. Now 34.3 upon 125 का square. If you want to find 125 का square, most of the students what they'll do, they'll just start doing multiplication of 125 into 125. So the easy step is to open the squares part in your logbook. 12 का 5 check करेंगे, that is 12 का 5 is 15625, that is the square of 125, 15625. So here 15625 is the square of 125. 2 2s are 4, 50 ka square, 5 5s are 25, and 2 zeros that I am writing as 100. Then 10 raised to minus 4 ka, then 10 raised to minus 2 ka square, that is 10 raised to minus 4. Next 34.3 upon 15625 into 4 into 25 is 100, and this 100 into 10 raised to minus 4. So this and this gets cancelled. So what we'll be doing in the next step, that is applying log and anti-log. So anti-log, log of 34.3 minus log of 15625. So let's apply the log. Here before point we have 2 digits, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we'll see the log for 34 ka 3. Let's open log. We'll see 34 ka 3. This is 3. 34 ka 3 is 5353. 5353 minus. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 point. 15 ka 6 ka 2. When you see 15 ka 6 and 2, that is 1931 plus 6, that is 1937. 1937. Now we'll subtract these two numbers, that is 1.535 minus 4.1937. Let's subtract. We'll borrow 1 from here. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. Again we'll borrow. This becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So this is the number. We'll find anti-log of 3 bar 0.3416. We have bar 3, that is 10 raised to minus 3. We'll see anti-log for 34 ka 1 ka 6. 34 1 and 6 के लिए 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is 3. So 2193 plus 3, 2196, right? 34 का 1, yes, right. The 2193 plus 2, it is 34 का 1 का 6. Okay, okay. So 34 का 1 is 2193 and 6 is 3. So it is 2193 plus 3, 2196. 2196. After one digit we will put the point, and here we have found the linear density. So the units for linear density is kilogram per meter.